And here, and today, look what I have here. It's Drink Olipop Soda. With see on TikTok, which is my very good friend Diana Rondi, and he'll be unboxing those my new kind of soda pop. It's a banana. So here they are. Let's see. They are. Let's count how many cans I have. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cans. Ah, looks very good here. Let's have a nice taste test for this. Diane, if you're watching this, please give me a huge thumbs up since you're part of Drink Olipop. So yeah. And now let's give it a taste. Mmm. Yeah. This tastes very good. So, yeah, so there you have it. So that's it for this video. So, and I will say thank you, Hannah Drill, for sending me these 12 pack of soda cans. I would be very happy to buy more drinks for you. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.